All right, so for S26 in Algebra 1, writing equations of parallel and perpendicular lines, there's a lot that's going on here, so I need to do it in this version. Hopefully I get a couple of each problem before, kind of run out of time on these things. So the equation that I'm given is y equals negative 2x minus 2. Okay? So I really only care about this piece. Okay? That's the big important piece here. It says line K is parallel. So parallel means it's going to have the same slope. All right? Now it says line J includes the point 2, negative 9, the line K includes the point 2, negative 9. What is the equation of line K? So I have my point M, or I have my slope, which is M equals negative 2, and I have my point, which is 2, negative 9. So I have all of this information. And now what I have to do, if you remember from my previous videos, my first step is always to label. So I'm going to label. That's M, that's X, and that's Y. Okay? My second step is to write my equation. Now I want to write the equation in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. If you know another form, you can. But I feel this form is nice because it allows me to utilize other math skills. Okay? Step 3 is to substitute. So we're going to go ahead and substitute here. So I'm going to substitute in negative 9 for y, negative 2 for m, and 2 for x. And now I'm going to go ahead, and my last step is to solve. So I have negative 9 equals negative 4 plus b. I want to solve for b, so I'm going to add 4 to both sides. And I get b equals negative 5. So since my slope was parallel, or my line was parallel, and my y-intercept is negative 5. My answer is going to be y equals negative 2x minus 5. So y equals negative 2x minus 5. Okay? Now it says to write an equation of a line that is perpendicular. So I'm going to keep all of these steps here off to the side. All right, and I'm actually only going to show you 2 problems because they're all done the same way. All right, and we did a bunch in class, so you should be pretty good to go on this. So it says line U has the equation of y equals negative 9/10 x minus 9. And it says line B is perpendicular. All right, so perpendicular, I'm focusing in on that slope. So what I need to do is, since it's perpendicular, I have to flip it. And I have to make it positive because that one's negative. So notice, 9/10, 10/9, negative, positive, perpendicular. And now it says, and it goes through the point 9,6. So step number 1, purple, is to label. I'm going to label it at x and y. Step 2, in pink, is to write your equation. So I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. Step 3 in orange is to substitute. So I have y is 6, m is 10/9, x is 9, and b, that's what we're looking for. And now we're going to solve. So 6 equals, well, 10 times 9 is 90, divided by 9 is 10. Okay, these kind of cancel out, plus b. So now I subtract 10 from both sides, and you get b equals -4. So my answer over here is y equals 10/9. Okay, it's that slope right there, 10/9, x minus 4. So y equals 10/9 x minus 4. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.